Welcome to another session of Srinath Recipes. Today we are going to make crispy lady's finger fry. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Wash and wipe 200 grams of lady's finger and cut the head and tail. Now cut it vertically. Remove the center part. Now cut it into thin strips. Now add 3 tablespoons of gram flour, 1½ tablespoons of rice flour, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder, 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, and a little salt. Mix well. Sprinkle a little water. Mix well and ensure that it is well coated with the masala. Heat oil in a pan over medium flame and deep fry till it turns crispy and golden brown. Now it's ready, take it out. Do the same process for the remaining strips. Please do try and post your feedback.